It's fantastic, you know, to rub shoulders with Thierry Henry and Mikel Arteta and Freddie Youngberg there. You know, but they're as interested to find out what we're doing, and you know, they were asking about the UEFA Cup, and obviously it's a shock that they're interested about how we do it in a part-time basis to how interested I am to find out what they're doing at a full-time basis as well.
Now there's three of you from the Welsh Premier League here. Is it a case of sharing ideas as well as coaches?
I think Andy and Alan are setting their ways and I'm setting my way as well, but you know, the course makes you flexible as a coach because you keep learning, and the biggest part for me last night was listening to Thierry Henry about people running off the ball, and you know, kids think they've got a divine right just to get on the ball and pass it, but you know, you just pick something up, and I must have picked 10-15 things up just by the discussion on the stage last night that I've made notes of, and you know, if that can help us in a little fraction, then it's better than what we started with before the course.